Hi everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today is a very special day for me. This is my very first unboxing plants video. See what I got. Oh, I am so excited. Look at this box. Got my name on it. It's got my name on it. In these boxes, there are two plants and I don't know which ones they are because I've ordered quite a few. So let's just get unboxing these to see what we have. This is so exciting. This is just taking my plant collection to the next level now. I've got my scissors. So let's just open this box. And I'll just say, from ordering this plant online to it coming home has only taken 1 day. So that is just brilliant. So this plant is ready to be planted into some soil straight away. What have we got going on here? Can you? Oh, yes, 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 yes. Now, can you see this? Look what I have here. I was told to be very careful when I take it out because it's taped to the bottom of the box. Let's see. There we have it. This is the beautiful Maranta lemon lime. This one is quite rare. I haven't seen it in any shops, so I found one example online, bid on it, and I got it. And I'm so pleased. So look at this beautiful plant. You need to have a closer look here so you can really appreciate its beauty. That is the lemon lime Maranta, a cutting that is going to be a beautiful plant with time. And look at the other leaves here. They're also beautiful. I mean, there are 5 leaves and a new one coming out. I am just over the moon with this plant. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I need to get that into some water straight away because I'm sure it doesn't have roots. We'll see. Have a little look inside the silver foil here. It's very nice and damp, so it's happy. Have a little look. Inside the foil, there's a lot of sphagnum moss and yeah, it's just like that. So basically, I need to get it in some water as quick as possible. Oh, I'm so pleased about that. Now, let's lay this on the table so we can see what the next rare plant is. Another one of these square boxes. Again, it only took a day to get here. It's very tightly wrapped. It's not moving around anyway, so no problem with me doing this. Open it up on the edges. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is just so exciting. This is just over the top exciting. As I said, this is taking me to the next level. Let's see if I can remember this. Yes, it's open. Let's see what's inside. Gosh. Hello and thank you for buying this plant. Let's see what it is. So, it's in paper. So, just snip open the paper here carefully because I don't know how far up the plant is or anything like that or what it is. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Look at that paper. Ooh. Okay, let's get it out of the bubble wrap so you can really see what it is. This is just so exciting. Oh. Have a little look here. Ooh, the bubble wrap. Oh, look. It is the beautiful Philodendron Brasil. Look at that. And I have another one, but it has the yellow veining down the middle of the leaf. And this one is a two-toned, so there's yellow on one side and green on the other, if you look at those leaves. Aren't they magnificent? They're absolutely beautiful, these leaves. The lime and the green, and this little cutting has 3 leaves on it and another one coming out, so it's a beautiful little cutting, and I can't wait to get this into some soil if it has roots, and if not, I will put it in some water for a while. But it looks so beautiful and so healthy, and I'm so happy about that. So let's have a little recap with this rare plant unboxing. On my left here, I have a beautiful Maranta lemon lime. And on my right here, I have a beautiful Philodendron Brasil. I am so happy, and there are more to come. So I need to go and sort out these plants now as quick as possible. So thank you very much for watching this Gardens and Crystals video with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And have yourself a wonderful day out there. Goodbye.